Hello everyone, LTS is back with another video for you guys. Today on the bench we have this very rare Sony DD100. It's BOODO KHAN, that huge bass version. So from the first sight, what is wrong with the unit? Well, at first we are missing tape door closing slider. Then head is very worn. I would say that even lapping maybe would not help it. Yeah, and look at that. Pinch roller is not moving at all. Absolutely. Oh, now it is moving, but it is moving on only that rubber part. This plastic part is not moving at all. Of course, we have some corrosion right over here. From what I can see, we had some battery leakage. And so on. Let's test it. Why not? Maybe we will not do anything more and any more damage, you know, than it already have. We can just check basic things. Wow. Okay. And play. Okay, so the motor is running. That is a good thing. How it runs, from what you can see, it is running very roughly. Yeah. And we have some damage on the top lid, but this is nothing serious. It won't prevent the device to work fine. All right. So for this I have bought few things. Taped battery door cover, that slider switch, and usual things for servicing it. And also I have got full head assembly. And right over here we have just to oil that pinch roller, and it should be fine. We have some wear on this head too, but it is nothing when we are comparing this one and that one that is inside the unit. So I think that let's not waste any time and let's start to disassemble the device. Oh, and we are missing some screws, and this screw is not the right one. Yeah, we have a little crack right over here. Yeah. But that is nothing serious. But just look at the head. It have seen lots of tapes. Let's hope that potentiometer is not pretty much very damaged. This is that legendary chip that if you use from power supply fails. think that without any, yeah, everywhere is wrong screws. I think this will be a very interesting one. Okay, so I think that at first let's remove PCB. Alright, let's unsolder those wires. Oh my god, somebody was trying to repair it. Look at that. What the hell is this? Yeah, that's not how it's supposed to be. All right. This is wrong screw. We will replace just the head. I would say. Yeah, so we will just remove this bracket and we will replace the head block. I think that we will do this a tiny bit later. Alright, right now let's put this one aside and let's leave it like that. We have lots of corrosion on the top part. Okay, we removed it. That bearing we will have to clean very good. I don't know where it was left, but not the best conditions it had. In the past. Alright, so at first I think let's service the transport. Yeah, somebody just glued some part and hoped that it will work somehow. That's crazy. Okay, let's clean it before doing anything else. Just look how much dust do we have right over here. Do we have a crack in the rewind gear? No, we don't. So that is always a good thing. The device was used quite a lot. We will do upgrade for those capacitors, and I think that we will replace also these little ones too, just as a preventive maintenance. And we have 33 and 220s, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we will do this a bit later. Right over here everything is on tantalum caps, so that is very nice. All right, let's put on the new gear. All right, so let's continue. Yeah, we have installed this one. Right now, let's do a good cleanup for capstan. Now about the capstan, we have some damage on the top. I think that we will do resurface for this one, because of that corrosion. Surface is prepared. Let's oh, this will smell bad. So 20 seconds. Okay, that's it. We'll do a bit better cleanup after. I will put this thing away from me. Now let's use some oil and let's be generous. Okay, it should be all right. Now let's find required screws. Let's hope that I'm still having some right over here. Okay, now we will do some cleanup. So from now, let's focus on the tape head assembly. Well, the best would be just to slide it out and that's it, but and in this case we will not have to deal with all the swapping and so on and so forth. We'll just remove it and we'll change it with this one. Okay, so heads in first place are different. Let's check that. We still have the same resistance. Okay, so something about 300, yeah? 200, 300, and right over here. Yeah, the same actually, because that lower one is the same, or it looks actually the same. Okay, let's remove it. Yeah, now it is quiet. And now let's put back this. And that's it. We have successfully changed head, assembly, pinch roller, assembly, whatever you call it, or name it. Now I would like to clean that capstan. This rust isn't doing any damage for the tapes or affecting playback or whatever. It's just aesthetical thing. It would be nice to check that potentiometer somehow, yeah? Maybe let's a bit assemble device for testing purposes just, yeah? Ah, well. These we'll test a bit later. For now, playback. But also I would like to test those. Jesus Christ. And we do not have space right over here. Let's a bit unscrew the board. Not a bit, but let's fully unscrew it. Okay, have finished soldering. Let me try the device a bit. Alright, so let's check if we have the sound. That is the most important thing right now. And then we will see if we have a good frequency response. Okay. Yeah, potentiometer is not good. The switch is a bit dodgy. Okay, we have a sound. Sound is nice and clear. Nice and clear, guys. So what do we have to do next? Yes, let's remove those batteries first. Next, I have detected some issue with fast forward, but this is not critical. We will have just to use that shrinking tube on the end of lever, let's say like that. Then this switch is a bit dodgy. We will have to definitely clean it, clean all of the switches, and we will replace capacitors. But technically, device is very nicely playing, so this means that they had fitted in the application quite nicely. Of course, I will check a bit later the frequency response. If that will not be as beautiful as we would like it, then I will think about changing the head to original one, but we will have to lap this head. So this head is not right for the application anymore until it will be lapped. Okay, till then. Okay, so I have talked with the customer and he wanted me to do some modifications. So I will upgrade the output capacitors and of course those two caps right over here to get a bit better sound dynamics. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, where to start? I think that let's start from maybe potentiometer service. So we are ready. Then where to start? Maybe let's start from these. Okay, so let's continue. So the upgrade is finished for the caps. Okay, now potentiometer. Okay, so let's do cleanup. And let's drink some cold espresso again. Let's put this one back. Yeah, now potentiometer will be a bit stiffer, but this is always a nice thing. Good. Let's screw the board for testing. I have forgot one thing. And this is gonna cost me some time now. Okay, now we can connect those. Okay, do some testing. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if potentiometer is not doing any nonsense. Okay, let's rewind. Okay, fast forward, rewind, play. Okay. Yeah, absolutely no crackling I can hear. Wow. Let's rewind a bit. Even without bass enhancer, it is playing very nice. We have all the low end frequencies after upgrade. Wow. Very nice. Very, very nice, guys. Okay. Let's not waste maybe any time, and let's do a little bit of cleanup for these things right over here. Maybe right over here, and we will do some adjustments then. Okay, so first things first, let's test the azimuth. So I'll put in some photos as always. After doing adjustments. So till then. Oh well, so I think some footage just gone out. I have made spring for tape door opening switch from what I got in my storage, and frequency response, you have not seen that due to somehow my phone just thought that it is time to stop recording. That's super strange, actually. Okay. Let's go to the frequency response check. Play. So this is the frequency response that I managed to achieve, and it is very, very beautiful for this device. And this is that BOODO KHAN enhancement V shape actually, yeah. So that's it about the frequency response. Right now I will paint lock that azimuth screw. You have missed not much actually. I have only assembled device and made that spring, and I think that that's it. Yeah. So right now let's paint lock that screw right over here. That is very strange. Why it stopped recording? I just don't understand. Okay, I'm gonna stop bothering about that and do the azimuth screw lock, and also this screw. Let's lock it down. What's left? Nothing. We have to assemble device and do the testing, but before that I have still one more thing, one more consideration right over here. I think that this switch sometimes is not switching good. I think I will start to build sometime bad screws collection. That would be very wise after some time to show to you guys. All right, so let's do a few more tests. So let's test torque. What do we have? Okay, something around 120. Also very nice. Let me grab playback torque tape. All right, let's play. About 32 and 2 back tension, so it is very good, very healthy. Okay, so right now I think that we can just proceed with assembling device. Small test before that would be very nice. So just to not get any surprises, you know. Yeah. So before that, maybe let's do quick cleanup. Okay. For the head, and also for other stuff. So let's put into the play mode. Let's clean capstan and the pull and the pinch roller. Alright, so since everything is checked, I think that we can just proceed with the assembly process. I have had to disassemble this device once again due to this switch. It was doing some strange things, and after cleaning it with another round, it just went fine. Okay. Perfect. Slider not going anywhere. This is fine and working. Okay, let's put back the screws. And let's do final test. Let's grab a cassette. We have some other cassettes right over here. Maybe let's catch this one. Okay. So it is metal, dolby off. Let's do headphones. Volume is about right. And okay, so at first maybe rewind. Perfect. Fast forward. Perfect. And let's put other side, just because I know that song is a bit nicer. Yeah. So a bit fast forward. Play. Yeah. Play again. Yeah, works just very, very nice. Now for the a bit deeper testing, let me grab YouTube free. Yeah. And let's play it. Let's find a bit. Yeah. Play. Okay, some normal tape, Dolby. Dolby off. Enhancement. Feels very well. Alright, so this is gonna be it regarding this Sony DD100. This was quite a procedure to repair. We had to do a lot of things for it to make it perfect again, yeah. But as you can see in the end, we have very nice results of this unit. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. As always, please consider supporting my channel. Also, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Magic.